Hello, and welcome to English Growth Zone. This channel is for learners who want to improve their English slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Today, I want to share a simple but powerful story called One Small Habit That Changed My English Forever. This is not a story about talent or shortcuts. It is a story about one small habit that looked ordinary but created a big change over time. Many learners think English improves only with long study hours or difficult grammar books, but sometimes real growth comes from a very small daily action. There was a time when my English was very weak. I understood some words, but I could not speak with confidence. I was always afraid of making mistakes. When someone spoke English, my mind became blank. I tried to study grammar, memorized vocabulary lists, and watched many videos, but nothing felt stable. Some days I felt motivated, and other days I felt tired and confused. Progress was slow, and sometimes I felt like giving up. I thought maybe English was not for me.
One day, I realized something important. I noticed that children learn language without pressure. They listen again and again. They do not try to speak perfectly. They do not worry about mistakes. They just listen. That moment changed my thinking. I decided to stop forcing myself to speak and start listening more. I chose one small habit. Every day, I would listen to simple English for at least 10 minutes. Not more, just 10 minutes. No grammar rules, no writing, only listening. At first, 10 minutes felt too small to matter. I did not understand everything. Sometimes I understood only the general idea. But I stayed consistent. Every day, I listened to short stories, calm conversations, or slow English audio. I listened while resting, walking, or sitting quietly. I did not pause the audio too much. I did not translate every word. I just listened and relaxed. Slowly, my ears became familiar with English sounds. After a few weeks, I noticed a small change. English started to feel less strange. Words sounded familiar. Sentences felt smoother. I was not trying to remember vocabulary, but words started appearing in my mind naturally. My understanding improved without effort. I realized that my brain was learning in the background. That small habit was working quietly, without pressure. Months passed and the change became clearer. When someone spoke English, I did not panic. I understood more than before. When I tried to speak, words came out more easily. My pronunciation improved because my ears had learned the correct sounds. Grammar also felt easier because I had heard correct sentence structures many times. I was not perfect, but I was confident. That confidence came from listening, not forcing.
The most powerful part of this habit was consistency. 10 minutes every day was better than 1 hour once a week. This habit did not feel heavy. It did not need motivation. It became a part of my routine, like drinking water or checking the time. Even on busy days, I could give 10 minutes. That small habit slowly changed my relationship with English. This experience taught me an important lesson. Big changes do not always need big actions. Sometimes one small habit done daily is enough. English does not need fear or pressure. It needs patience and time. When learners listen daily, their brain learns naturally. Speaking becomes easier when listening becomes strong. Confidence grows when understanding grows.
If you are struggling with English, do not try to do everything at once. Choose one small habit. Listen daily. Stay calm. Trust the process. You may not see change in one day, but over time, that small habit can change your English forever. Learning is not about speed, it is about consistency. Thank you for listening to this story. If you want to improve your English step by step through simple stories and calm listening, stay connected with English Growth Zone. Remember, one small habit can create a big future.